All right, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be going over the number one first marketing tool that I'd be using if I was first starting my auto detailing business again. So start, day zero, just getting started, where would I start marketing? First thing I would do without a doubt is make a Google Business Profile listing on Google. If you look up Google Business Profile, you'll find the manager for it. Very, very simple. It's free. So that's the big thing, is that you will not have to pay anything for it. It also gives you direct access to customers looking for auto detailing services, right? So this is how you get in front of, without running Google Ads, this is how you get in front of customers that are searching, car detailing near me, car detailing my city. All those customers, and you'll see them, like when you Google stuff for anything, they're at the top. It's like they call it the map pack. At the top will be like the location. It'll be like website, phone, book now or whatever. That is the Google Business Profile listing, and that will put you right in front of customers that are looking for your service absolutely for free. And then, once you open it, you'll make an account, name it your business name, put in your address, put in your service hours, put in a little bio about yourself. You can use ChatGPT for that. And I would just type in, write me a 500-word bio for my Google Business Profile listing about a detailing company in blank city called your business name, and it'll whip up a 500-word bio for you. And you can also put in their SEO optimized bio. That way it's, has all the keywords you want in there. After that, you'd add some pictures. For the pictures, I would geotag them. So I would go to, if you look up geotagging images on Google, you'll find some places. I use GeoImager, and that is where you put in the location of your business listing. You upload a picture, you put in your location, and then you'll save it, and it makes it so where the coordinates of the address that you put in are, linked to that picture. So it just becomes, like, Google just reads it as being more relevant. That's a little ranking thing for Google. There's not just like one magic pill for Google business listings where you'll just take over, jump to number one spot, in a week. So there's no magic bullet for it. The key is all the little small optimizations that you can make. That's what you have to do. So it's it's having all your service hours in there. It's taking advantage of every little feature that Google puts in Google Business Profiles. That's how you get to the top. The biggest thing is reviews. So I would immediately start getting a few reviews. I would hit up your friends, family, all the group chats you're in, and then after that, all your past customers. And then you want to be actively getting reviews from all of your customers. So every time you can offer them, we'll offer them a free upgraded wax. So, they just get our next package wax if they leave us a review right there. You could also do little giveaways. So we do raffles every now and then throughout the year where we'll send out a text to all of our customer list, and we'll give away a free detail to enter, leave us a review, and then we have the review link. And that's pretty much it for the Google Business Profile and the optimizations for it. But after you have one, right? Say you have one with over 100 reviews, you're going to be getting traffic on that. You're going to be getting, website clicks, bookings through that. The next thing is you can actually have multiple of these. So you can open a second Google Business Profile in your city, pick a different location, another service area of yours, and then open a second one. So this will be different address. You'll need a different address. You can use, a friend's house, family's house, post office might work, might not. A gas station might work, might not. Co-working spaces work because you'll just pay to have a mailbox there. That'd work. There's some workarounds to it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. But you can open a second location or a third location, fourth location. Then it's all about optimizing them, and then and then getting reviews on all of them. You also, there's a posting feature on Google Business Profile that most people probably don't even know about, but don't think to post on there. And that's the main thing is, you'll want to post on that weekly at least, once per week. But the main thing about this is, like, most detailers aren't marketers. They just are really good at cleaning cars, and they've been doing it forever. They have a book of customer lists like that they've been detailing for 20 years. So those guys just keep coming back to them, but they're not marketers. So they don't focus on Google ads or Google business profiles and posting on them to optimize them every week. Like, they're just not going to take the time to do all the little things online to have an online presence. So a lot of these markets, you can go in, open a detailing business, and you can just kind of jump to top 4, top 3 pretty quickly, in a matter of months, because all the guys that are at the top are old. They've been doing it for a while, and they just don't care to change their ways. They're on the way out. They're like, nah, I've got my customers. I know what I do. I don't need, Google. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity there, especially with Google business listings. And that's where I would start. If I was just getting started today, it costs $0. So that's why. And it's a super powerful way to get directly in front of your customers for free. But yeah, so if you have any questions about this strategy, just leave them in the comments below. I'll go through all those and answer anything. If you have any ideas for other videos, any questions you want me to handle, also hit me up. You can check out in the link below. There's a link to our free group where I show you how to get $1,000 worth of detailing customers for totally with free marketing. This is a part of it. Google Business Profile is a part of it. And then our paid group is where I teach you how to get to $10,000 and above per month. Guaranteed, money back guarantee. Go check it out. But until then, I will see y'all in the next one.